Don't make these buying mistakes when you're in the market for a Denali Ultimate. It will cost you thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. Okay, so jumping right into the video, everyone. These are big mistakes that are commonly made when you're looking for a truck, not necessarily a Denali Ultimate, but as soon as you get into those higher trims, these mistakes could cost you more and more money. So, addressing the elephant in the room here, we have our 2026 GMC Sierra Denali Ultimate. Guys, it's a long name, it's a nice truck. The main buying mistakes that people are making in this market is opting for higher trims that don't necessarily give them the value for the money. And now in a truck market where all these trucks are costing, this truck specifically, 120 Canadian dollars, 120,000 Canadian dollars. Let's see what you get for the money. Let's see if it's worth it. And these are the mistakes that I normally see people are making when they're in the truck market. So as you guys can see, we have our Denali Ultimate. Really, it looks like just a normal Denali Sierra. Yes, it has the Ultimate badging. Yes, it's got the dark chrome. Has a few other accents, got the blacked out GMC emblem and that dark chrome bumper. But other than that, it's a normal Sierra. No matter if you get the Elevation, you get the AT4, you get any other Denali trim, you guys can see the Ultimate badging. But other than that, you get Denali Ultimate specific wheels. But guys, it's pretty much a Sierra. No matter which trim you get, it's going to be a Sierra. The main features that obviously have this one stand out, you're going to have your Ultimate badging, which as we get into it, you'll realize will cost you a lot more money than you want it to. Jumping into the inside here, obviously the main thing is the seats here. They give you full natural wood grain leather. You get your massaging function, you get the Ultimate badging, But other than that, guys, it's your normal Sierra. Jumping around to the back here, you have Carbon Pro bed. You have the Kicker audio system in the tailgate, which is a nice system, I'll be honest. But other than that, guys, it's your normal Sierra bed. Walking around to the other side, there's nothing here, guys, other than Denali Ultimate badging. So the main question is, are you making a mistake buying the Sierra Denali Ultimate versus a Denali, versus an AT4, even an Elevation with leather? Are you making a mistake? Personally, I don't know if I can justify the price tag on the Denali Ultimate for what you're getting. The more and more you drive it, the more and more it feels like a regular Sierra. Carbon Pro bed doesn't come into play on a daily basis. You guys can see it's just a Carbon Pro bed. I don't use it any different. It just gets used the same as a bed would on a truck. Kicker audio system, maybe you'll use it, you know, here and there. The 22-inch wheels, the Denali Ultimate badging, and the leather interior is nice. I'll be honest, it is a nice interior. Massage is nice, the leather feels nice. Bose sound system is good, you get a couple of extra speakers. But does that justify the price tag of 120,000 Canadian dollars for the Sierra Denali Ultimate versus a Denali you can get for around 95 to 100 now? Is it worth paying $20,000 for the Denali Ultimate when really you don't really get much more that's usable to you? Yeah, okay, they add in the Carbon Pro bed, like I said, the nice wheels, the running boards, which you can also get on a Denali. You get the Kicker audio system, right? You have all the badging. But is that worth it? And in my opinion, I would say that it's not worth it to get the Denali Ultimate when you can buy a Denali and save $20,000. Or you can buy an AT4 and save around $25,000 as well. Or even an Elevation, you can fully load it and get it for around 80 to 85,000 Canadian dollars. So is it worth it to spend $120,000 on the Ultimate when nothing changes? The interior is completely the same. The screens are the same. All the infotainment's the same. Everything about this truck is the same. You can see around the back here, nothing changes. Hard tonneau cover, which again, you'll have to buy because of the different mounting on the Carbon Pro bed. You have to spend another $1,800 on a new tonneau cover because nothing will fit. So the question I pose to you, you can see the interior a little bit more. Guys, it's the same exact interior. You get some nice speaker grills. Obviously the leather is the big one. But other than that, there is nothing else different about the Denali Ultimate. So the question I pose to you is this vehicle worth it in your eyes? Because I would advise you, don't get stuck up on the spec sheet, because the spec sheet will look very nice for the Denali Ultimate. You do also get, your Super Cruise I haven't mentioned. You will also have Super Cruise, which is all right. It works all right. You can see it in the steering wheel here. Kind of lights up a little bit. You can see it works okay. It's not a bad feature on the highway if there's no traffic. As soon as you start kind of getting into traffic, it does kind of get a little wonky at times. But for other than those features, which you won't really use a whole lot, Super Cruise is nice if you're on an open road, open highway, and you're doing a long kind of a road trip. So it's nice there. But is it worth the $20,000 price tag? And what they'll do is the spec sheet will look real good on one of these, and you'll be like, okay, I'm getting a lot for the money. But in terms of usable options, I would argue there's really not much else that is usable that you will use on a daily basis that differs from a Denali, AT4, or even an Elevation. So I would recommend you really do your research, and I would look at a Denali or an AT4 versus the Denali Ultimate. If you're looking for that adaptive ride, then you can get it in the Denali. You can get the reserve for the running boards and the 22-inch wheels. Everything else is pretty much the same. You have a dark chrome grille if you like the blacked out look. But other than that, on a usable day-to-day basis, you don't use anything else. Doesn't drive different. All the interior options are the same. The truck is identical, obviously. So I would argue you really do your research before you purchase one of these and think, is it worth it? Because I just outlined the features that this has that really the other Sierras don't. Badging, Carbon Pro bed, Super Cruise, leather interior, kicker audio system. That stuff does not affect your day-to-day use. The Super Cruise would, a little bit, but again, you might get annoyed with it, and it might actually become more of a irritant than something beneficial for you. The audio system's nice. You'll use it maybe once every blue moon. But on a more positive note, I am really happy with the truck. It is very nice. But should you buy the Denali Ultimate over a Denali or over an AT4? I don't know if I can justify that $20,000 difference. You can save yourself a lot of money. You can do a lot with that. And you don't need to opt for this level of trim because it's really, you're just paying for badging and nice leather. But you be the judge. Don't let me tell you. If you want that Denali Ultimate and you have the money, go right ahead. But as far as I'm concerned, after the mileage that I've put on it, I don't really notice a difference. I treat it like a normal truck, yet I've paid kind of $20,000 premium for some options that don't really come into play on a daily basis. But you be the judge. Let me know down in the comments if you think it's worth it to jump up to the Ultimate, if you think having those extra options are worth it. I know you could say resale, this and that, but you are paying $20,000 more just to have a Denali Ultimate. Is it worth it in your eyes? Let me know down in the comments below. but obviously this is the truck with the Denali options, Denali Ultimate options. You be the judge. Let us know down in the comments. Drop that like button if you enjoyed the video. Let us know what videos you want to see from us. And without further ado, that will end today's video. Subscribe if you are new. We have tons of new content coming, and we'll see you in the next video.